Here is the newly upgraded control panel. Just installed this brown one here for my UCS. Just hooked up this last throw to something that I will show later. And this one operates the rocket. Controls. Finally got the 497 controller mounted, and pretty neat. It's been sitting up here floating around waiting to find its place to live. All the new toggles are all labeled. Just got these two for the two new 5 and 7 sidings. That's just floating around. These are floating around, and these are sitting here until I can get them wired and mounted as well. And this is to the culvert unloader. Same thing. It's wired and working, but I will get it fixed here at some point. All right. Looking pretty good. Y'all have a great day.